Maximizing efficiency, tips for lean supply chain management. Lean supply chain management is all about maximizing efficiency, reducing waste and costs, and improving customer satisfaction. In this video, we'll give you several tips for improving your supply chain and achieving lean success. 1. Automate processes. Invest in automated processes wherever possible, such as automated material handling, inventory management, and order tracking. Use software and automation tools to increase efficiency and reduce labor costs. 2. Optimize your inventory. It's important to strike a balance between too much inventory and not enough. Carrying too much inventory ties up cash, while not enough can result in stockouts and missed sales opportunities. Use inventory management software to track inventory movement and adjust purchasing accordingly. 3. Build strong supplier relationships. Creating strong relationships with your suppliers can improve efficiency and reduce costs. Negotiate better pricing and payment terms, and collaborate with them to streamline processes and reduce lead times. 4. Embrace technology. Implement emerging technologies such as blockchain and AI to improve visibility, reduce fraud, and increase efficiency. Blockchain can be used to manage and secure transactions, while AI can help to predict demand and optimize inventory levels. 5. Continuously monitor and measure. Monitor your supply chain performance and use data analysis to identify areas for improvement. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, such as order cycle time, on-time delivery, and inventory turnover to track your progress. 6. Streamline shipping and logistics. Fine-tune your operations to reduce shipping and transportation costs. Use analytics to optimize routes, plan shipments, and reduce truck idle time. This can also help to reduce your carbon footprint. 7. Develop a strong team. Your team is critical to the success of your lean supply chain. Ensure that you hire people with the right skills and experience for the job, and invest in employee training and development. Encourage teamwork and collaboration across departments and suppliers. 8. Continuously improve. Continuous improvement is key to lean success. Encourage your team to identify areas for improvement and make changes where needed. Embrace new technology and processes to stay ahead of the competition. By following these tips, you can achieve a lean supply chain that maximizes efficiency, reduces waste and costs, and improves customer satisfaction. Remember, lean is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, adapting, and improving, and your supply chain will continue to thrive. Want to learn more? Visit our channel ZZ.